Hey there, home cooks. This is Chris, and it's time for Cool Kitchen Finds, the monthly series where I share some of my favorite cooking tools, gadgets, accessories, and small appliances. This month's edition is all about outdoor cooking. If you want more information on any of the items mentioned, links will be in the description below so you can take a closer look. Let's start out with something I've never had before. This garlic roaster that was sent to me is a nice cast iron garlic roaster. They say you could also roast a potato, vegetables, or even brie in it too. Of course, that would only be like one potato and not a lot of veggies. Brie might be great though. This is also a container that you could use to kind of turn your gas grill into a smoker by smoking some wood chips in it. But I think there's better options for you if you're looking for something like that. This is all about the garlic, and it does a fantastic job. It's heavy cast iron, so you can use it out on the grill, the campsite, even inside in your oven. Slice the top off a bulb of garlic, add a little olive oil on top, roast it in the oven at 400 degrees for about an hour for some golden deliciousness. I made a compound butter with these bad boys, so if you're a fan of roasted garlic, this is a product you might get a lot of use out of. The weather will be heating up soon, so keep those drinks cold with this ice cube set by VLM. For $10, it comes with a container that you can store the ice in, a scoop and tong, and 4 trays that are both plastic and silicone, so you get the best of both worlds when it comes to ice cube trays. The upper portion is a hard plastic to make the tray sturdy and hold its shape, and the bottom of each mold is silicone, so it makes it easy to pop out any ice cubes that are being stubborn. Each tray also has its own lid to keep from spilling when you're transferring to the freezer, and I suppose to keep anything from contaminating the ice cubes. You can also order in green if you want instead of this blue color. In this series, I'm going to try to highlight a newly released cookbook each month. This one is spicy and all about the salsa. If you're a fan of chilies or just love Mexican cuisine, Salsa Daddy by Martinez will give you plenty of salsa recipes to try out this summer. I made one he recommends for breakfast tacos. It's a cooked salsa that calls for lard, so I figured bacon fat would be the way to go. I cooked it up, blended it down, and served it with some eggs that I cooked with cheese and green onion. It was awesome. I had a nice touch of bacon flavor and plenty of heat to wake you up. Salsa Daddy also has a recipe for tacos al pastor, my favorite kind of taco, so I had to try it. And you can't make al pastor without achiote. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. It's a nito seed paste, and you can find it in a Mexican grocery store or order it online. Soften some chilies and some OJ chicken stock with the achiote, blend it up. Add it to your meat of choice. I smoked a pork butt a few weeks ago, so I grabbed a bag out of the freezer and had an excellent meal for Cinco de Mayo. Definitely looking forward to trying out some more recipes from Salsa Daddy by Rick Martinez. This next find for the outdoors actually found me. The people at Nook sent this to me to check out, and let me say this might be my favorite item on this video. It's a pizza oven table, and I don't even own a pizza oven, although maybe now I should. So like right after I produced the video, Ninja sent over their new artisan outdoor pizza oven. I've done a few pizzas on it so far, but there's like so many possibilities to do with this. So subscribe if you don't want to miss out on future videos with this pizza oven, because I'm sure I'm going to be using this guy out a lot this summer. And since it's outdoor cooking related, I had to give it a quick mention in this episode. Now back to your regular scheduled program. This would also be perfect for one of those tabletop griddles too. What I've been using it for is my outdoor prep table. You go outside, you start the smoker, you start the grill, you grab all your tools, your spatula, your tongs, your cutting board, your knife, and all your ingredients. You can gather everything you need and put it on the Nook. And there will still be enough room for a roll of paper towels and an ice cold beverage. This is exactly what I was missing for my outdoor kitchen setup, so I had to include it in this outdoor edition of Cool Kitchen Finds. This was so good, I actually have a video dedicated to it. I'll leave a link to that in the description if you want a little bit more information about it. This next item is perfect for summertime, and it's definitely one of those why didn't I think of this ideas. It's a rechargeable, heated ice cream scoop from FrostJoy. Charge with USB-C and simply hold on to the handle and it'll start to warm up the scoop. Temperature and battery level is displayed on the bottom and effortless ice cream scoopage on the top. It cuts through ice cream straight out of the freezer and gives you that perfect scoop. Thanks for watching Cool Kitchen Finds Outdoor Cooking / Summer Edition. More info on all these products can be found in the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.